Now let's look at some of the ways that we can use proportions to solve some of the problems in geometry. First of all, remember when we talk about a proportion, we're talking about when we set two ratios equal to each other, like this right here. So let's see how we could use this. Let's suppose that we've got this triangle and we're given this ratio, or this proportion right here. We're told that AB, okay, so let's see what AB is. AB is 16, is to BD, 16 is to X, what AC is to CE. Now look, this whole thing over here is 30. And this little part here is 10. So that means that AC is 20. So here's what we've got. We've got that this AC is 20 over 10, like that. Okay? AC to CE is 20 over 10. So those add up. Now, let's see what we've got here. We've got 16 over X is equal to, well, 2. Okay? So then we cross multiply as we did earlier, and we get 16 equals 2X, or X is equal to 8. So this right here, X is equal to 8. This side is 8 units long. Now let's see if that works out. We've got AB is to BD, so we've got 16 over 8. And let's see, is that the same as 20 over 10? Yes, it is. It's 2. So we got that. So this is how we can use proportions. Now, there is something else that is discussed usually when you talk about proportion, and that is finding the geometric mean. Now, usually in geometry textbook, the geometric mean will be set up as solving a proportion problem, and X is the geometric mean. So notice what you would have here is you would have, if you solve this as usual, you would have X squared equals AB. And then X is equal to the positive square root of AB. And that's the geometric mean. Now, really, so think about this. This is the mean you know about, the arithmetic mean. This is the mean you know about, and that's where you add up the numbers. Let's say you have 8 and 18, and you divide by the number of numbers. So if you had 3 numbers, you would divide by 3 and so forth. And when you do that, notice you get 26 divided by 2, which is 13. That is the arithmetic mean. That's the mean you're most familiar with. Now, the geometric mean is a little bit different. What it is, it's the nth root. So there's 2 numbers here. So we take the square root of the product, 8 times 18 in this case. Now, if we work this out, we would find that this is 12. So that's the geometric mean, and notice it's pretty close to the arithmetic mean. Now, there's also another mean. There's the harmonic mean. We'll talk about that just as we go here, while we're at it. And that is going to be 2. There are 2 numbers, and you divide by the reciprocal. That. Now, if we do that, I believe we would get about 11.07. Yeah, so that's the harmonic mean. But we're focusing on the geometric mean here. So let's suppose we want to find the geometric mean between 1, or let's not do that. Let's do 2, 3, and let's say 5. Now I think I got that in the problem set. 2, 3, and 4. Let's say. So the geometric mean is going to be, there are 3 numbers, so it's the the third root, okay, cube root of 2 times 3 times 4. Yeah, so that's the cube root. Notice there are 3 numbers, so it's a cube root. If there were 4 numbers, there'd be the 4th root of 24. Yeah, that's it. So that would be the geometric mean.